It might not be Earth Day, but every day should be Earth Day. So here are some products I use that are less harmful to our environment. First, I started using Earth Breeze laundry strips. There's no plastic containers, no liquid mess, just these simple strips that you can use for a full load, or you tear them apart for smaller loads. They are super convenient, they take less space on the shelf, and they come to you in the mail. The second item is plant paper. This is tree-free and toxin-free toilet paper. There is no plastic wrap. Honestly, you should buy this for the ad campaign alone. It's brilliant. You have to watch Stephen Dorff and Alicia Silverstone sell this product on social media. This toilet paper is better for your health and it's better for the environment. It's also delivered to you in the mail. Next, I've got 100% compostable food scrap bags. It comes in food scrap small bags and also garbage bag size too. So there's no more plastic bags in your garbage bin. And I also use biodegradable Doggie bags. I am always looking for more eco-friendly products, so if there's something you found that's awesome, please share it in the comments below.